Okay, students, if you haven't yet, you should build the skeleton for your web page. This will house some of the research that you've done, some of the things you're going to write, and your public service announcement, which you've might have completed by this point. So to do this, we're going to build a Google site. Some of you may have done this already. So I'm just going to go to my drive. Wherever you want to keep your site, I have a special language arts folder, so maybe I'll build it in there. And you just click New, like this, More, and then Google Sites. A Google site is treated just like a file in your Google Drive, like every other file, as if it was a Google Doc or a Google Slideshow. And so you don't need to publish it yet. Don't publish it, but go ahead and name the file something so you can find it before. Mine's going to be the problem of cheating in education. Problem of cheating in schools. I can just give myself a title that I can change later if I want. Problem of cheating. Okay, this is going to be my home page. And what we're going to do is just build the skeleton of your website. So we're going to add a few pages. Notice if I wanted to add a text box to my home page, I can just drag it down there, or you could just click it rather. It appears right there. I can put in dividers. I can do a bunch of things. But I'm going to build pages. So I'm going to build 3 pages. So I clicked pages, and then down at the bottom it's kind of cut off here. There's a plus button. Just click the plus. New page, and my first one is going to be called Why Is It an Issue? That should be your first page also. Done. Now I've got 2 pages, a home page, a Why Is It an Issue page. I'm going to build another page. This one's going to be the counter argument page. Done. And then I'm going to build a third one, and it's going to be the call to action page. Alright, so now if you look up here, I've got, we'll have 4 pages, a home page, why is it an issue, a counter argument, and a call to action. And I can navigate through those pages either over here or up here. I can look at what my website would look like if it was published by clicking preview. That's what it would look like. I can end the preview. And I can make it into a different theme pretty easily. Alright, so I'm going to stick with maybe this one. Or this one. And so on one of these pages then, we're going to drop your public service announcement. And I'll show you how to do that soon. Alright, so now you have the skeleton for your website. It's stored in your Google Drive, so if you're looking for it, you have to check your Google Drive, and that's why you should call it something that you're going to remember, so you can find it in your Google Drive later. Okay, good luck.